Hey Divine Nurture friends, welcome back to another video here on Divine Nurture. If you are new to the channel, stop, subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment because I love to hear your feedback, good or bad. I just love to hear it. And I can't wait to make more videos. Remember, this is a channel just to get some more ideas of how to teach in somebody else's teaching style and learning new things dealing with families and children every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and come make some file folders with me. Hey guys, so here you see me just showing you two sets of a dollar store flashcards that I'm using. One set is shapes and colors actually. I thought it was just shapes for some reason. But it had 2D and 3D shapes in there. And so right here, I'm just going through and sorting the ones that I want to use for specific file folders that I'm going to make. Remember, you do need to buy two sets of whatever flashcards that you're going to use because you're kind of making a matching game. I am doing this for toddlers and preschoolers who are having trouble learning their colors and their shapes. This also helps with language skills and communicating in reciprocal conversation, so back and forth conversation. I believe that's what it's called. So I went through, I laminated them because, as we all know, children find a way to destroy something. So I laminated everything and you just see me going through cutting it. The laminator I do have is from Target. I'll have to put the link in there. And it's like $25. And laminating paper, after laminating and cutting, you're gonna have to go through and sort everything out so you have everything organized, so when it's time to put your file folder together, you're not scrambling all over the place. Here, I'm just kind of doing a template of what it looks like, and I just taped them. Heavy duty tape, and I just taped them on the file folder. And I was like, that is too slow, Deanna. Speed it up. Anywho, made it look nice and neat, and tried to tape it as best as possible because, as we know, once again, they find a way to destroy. Here I have some Velcro. The Velcro are squares. However, Velcro can be kind of expensive, so you don't have to use Velcro. You are more than welcome to just have them match them. However, what I have found with little people, sometimes they get very frustrated when it doesn't stay in the spot it's supposed to stay in. This is also helping hand-eye coordination, small motor skills, and so much more. What I did, instead of using the whole square because I didn't want to really cover up the picture, I just cut the Velcro in half and used a small piece. Because this is heavy-duty Velcro, you don't need that much. After finishing that, I just labeled it 2D shapes, and boom, you're all done. Here you see me showing you all the file folders that I made, which were the 2D, the colors. I also have bought some little puzzles, which are good to find matching, and then what goes together, things like that. Once again, thank you for tuning in on this very special file folder game video. I know I only went through one file folder, but y'all see me print and laminate a couple more. So I'm gonna do colors and a couple of other things. You don't have to be like me and go to the dollar store, like I said before, and purchase this. If you want to do it and take your time, do that. Make them individualized, so if you know what a kid needs help on individually, specifically to that child, do that. If you have an autistic kid, anything like that, you're able to do that with a file folder game. And just as you see me do it, so simple with this, with some simple dollar store. These are things that can just be placed in a carton crate or a big folder, or a big area where the kid is able to go back, get your daily work, your daily puzzles, your daily things. And these are things that you can have them do by themselves. Maybe for the first couple of times you might have to do it with them so they can get the hang of it in the routine. But after that, like, you know, now this is something that we do every day. And it doesn't have to be geared towards a certain age. It's wherever the child is that you're working with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys liked it or it was trash. I don't know. But hope to see you guys next time on another exciting, informational learning video. Peace out. Bye, you guys.